So you have to remove the entire...
Not entire, but this one you have to remove. Otherwise, you have to take out the tail. I told you.
So the entire back panel needs to be removed. So the next panel is the inner panel. Remove that one. Pull it out. So now we can remove the top. So next we're gonna remove the bolts. There are 3. Oh, 4 of them. So 1 right there.
5.
Oh, 5 of them.
Yeah.
So here's a molding on the side. You can take it out and 2 sides with the molding. Save it and clean it so you can transfer it to the new glass. Once you remove the bolt under, the spoiler will come out. You see this is attached there. So once you remove that, this entire glass, it's open and you can start cutting.
Ready? Pull it and cut it.
This is the side plastic piece. 1 piece on each end of the glass. So you just use a blade and cut off the broken glasses on the plastic. So apply a little bit glue on the plastic piece and then paste it on the end of the glass.
How do you like the Raptors? I like it a lot. They're all destroyed. Yeah. And if you do find a clean one, they want like 35, 40,000 for it. Yeah, I broke this glass last time. I took a load my exhaust.
When you put back the end cap, make sure that the flat, the bigger tip is on the top.
Just press it and right the side and tip it on.
Now you can put back the bolts that you removed. So the spoiler is tightened.